Okay guys, welcome back. Look, it's Jack. Look, it's my dad. We're trying to go camping. But the thing is, it's raining and we found one spot and then my dad's like, no, they'll be partying all night. So then we...
so why was I like, oh, they'll be partying all night?
Because apparently they will be partying all night.
Because the guy came and said, hey, we'll be partying all night with loud music and having our own Burning Man. And they had their own Burning Man that they were setting up.
We were invited, he said no. But yeah, that would have been fun, but guess not. And now we're going to try to find a different place. I'll put some photos in of the place that we were going to camp, because I got like 3. And yeah, Silverton's pretty crazy. Yeah, sorry if it's switching overexposed, underexposed, and if it's out of focus, but we're going camping. I brought the drone. We'll see if I can find some way to put some drone footage in, but it's raining. We'll figure this out. Right, Jack? Right, we got this. Okay, well, I think we found it. Look at that. Amazing. Let's just do a panorama. Oh, that's not so beautiful. But I mean, look at that. That's insane. There's a smudge. I'll fix that later. But I love it. Okay. My dad said we can go up there later. I want to go up to the top of that peak. My dad's down there. Tent somewhere. Oh, it's beautiful. Insane. Okay. Don't know really what to do. It's beautiful. Oh, my dad has disappeared. Look. He's gone. He's gone. He was down there. Not anymore. Oh, yes, that Jeep. Thumbnail. Oh, I found my dad. See him? I can't zoom in. Okay, bye. I'll see you later when we're setting up tents and when the storm clears and all the goodness. Let me show you what I created. I, myself, have lit a fire. Patrick, you better be proud of me. I cheated. I used lighter fluid though. But, seriously, I'm proud of myself. Look at that. I did that. I did that. Look at it. Look at this. Look at that. Let's see if I can refocus. But yeah, I made a fire. I love this. This is great. I did a time lapse. I think it's gonna rain all night. So my dad's not gonna let us go to the top of the peak. Top of that. So yeah, I guess you'll just have to live without it. I might try to fly the drone right now. I don't think it will be very good video, but yeah. Okay, well, I think we might set up a tent, so I'll vlog when we set up a tent. If you want, yeah, I'll just vlog when we set up a tent, cause it's great. It's really, really great out here. Okay, as you see, I switched to a little bit of a wider lens. So, fire is over there, and then the tent is gonna be down here. So yeah, the tent, we brought like a huge 6-person tent, but then it's gonna be way too cold to sleep in that, so we're choosing a smaller tent. Just gonna be harder with all 3 of us, but it will be good because we'll stay warm. I'm not gonna take the drone out because it's starting to rain again, but tent layout. right here. And Jack's just gonna watch us. Jack hears birds.
He's a hunter.
Yep, he's a hunter. What are those, Jack? Jack, what is that? What do you hear? What do you think of camping? Is it fun? I think it's pretty fun. Yeah. Okay. Tent, here we go.
If I told you this was only gonna hurt, if I warned you that the fire's gonna burn, would you walk in?
He just broke it.
Apparently that's tight enough.
Okay. Tent, view. Wait, I thought we were gonna set it up there for photos.
Oh, we can.
We can move it, right?
Yeah. Although I do have it staked down.
Okay. Tent complete.
That's just not complete.
Oh, we're putting a rain cover on now. I'm gonna go check on the fire. Okay, fire checkup. Fire seems to be almost burnt all the wood we have. So, I guess I'll rebuild it. Oh, let's move this. This is like the only piece actually burning. Okay. Jack, what do you think? This is pretty cool, right? Okay, yeah, I guess I'll set up a time. Oh. I guess I'll set up a time lapse and rebuild the fire. Update, time lapse isn't gonna work. Okay, I'll just see when the fire's rebuilt. Okay, guys, update number 997. I got the fire going again. I'm wearing a hat. I never wear hats. Guys, stay positive, even if you're about to die, like me. Oh, gee, this is gonna be terrible. Okay, guys, let's go. Look at this fire. I got this. Oh, it's so warm. Oh my gosh. It's so warm. Oh my gosh. Okay. Rain's getting on the lens. I guess if something important happens, I'll just record it on my phone. I'm putting this away. I'll take photos if we move the tent. It'll be great. Yeah! Okay, so I just recorded the whole end clip and then realized the mic wasn't plugged in. So, let's do this again. So, we drove up the mountain a little bit more. We took some photos. It was beautiful. I'll put those photos in. We're waking up tomorrow at sunrise. If you do not see sunrise stuff or anything from tomorrow, well then you know something happened that was not good. Yeah. So enjoy your night. My dad's making dinner. I hope we see you tomorrow at sunrise. If we don't, enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. Yeah, just enjoy your life. No matter what. Okay, good night. See you tomorrow. Okay, good morning. It's about 6 o'clock. I set an alarm for 5:10. 5:10, huh? Okay, I'm tired. But we woke up early. The stars are still out. I'm not sure you can see them, but I can. Yeah, you can see them. That's a star. Sun will hopefully rise right there. These are all the mountains. What do you think? Shine the light on yourself.
I think it's going to be a beautiful morning.
Oh, and then there's Jack. Ugh, let's go. Okay, all done filming. It's still freezing cold outside. The sun came up though. It's brighter than it was earlier. I don't have to use a flashlight. We flew the drone. I'll put some drone footage in. That's Jack's water bowl. So the drone, camera, yeah, it's pretty good. My dad went down there. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here with a bang. I'm debating putting the B-roll footage stuff at the beginning or the end. So, you will see. But yeah, goodbye.
We were staying in Paris to get away from your parents, and I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could work this out on the terrace. I don't know if it's fair, but I thought, how could I let you fall by yourself while I'm wasted with someone else? If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could do anything, they'll say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better. We were staying in Paris.
Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are. Show them we are. Show them we are. Show them we are. Let's show them we are better.
We were staying in Paris to get away from your parents, and you're so proud, standing there with a frown and a cigarette, posting pictures of yourself on the internet, out on the terrace. We breathe in the air of this small town on our own, couldn't pass for the thrill of it, getting drunk on the bus we were living in. If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could do anything, they'll say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better. We were staying in Paris.
Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are. Show them we are. Show them we are. Show them we are. Let's show them we are better.
We were staying in Paris.
If we go down,
We were staying in
if
Paris.
we go down,
Cause we were staying in
if
Paris.
we go down,
We were staying in
if
Paris.
we